So before I walked into the theater for Ganpat, I tripped and fell very badly. Okay, and वो छोड़ो, वो तो जाने दो, ठीक है, चोट वोट जो भी. But at some point, I was wondering if I hit my head because I thought I was in a fever dream. Hi, I'm Pratiksha Mishra and you're listening to my review of Ganpat. गणपत इज द स्टोरी ऑफ अ मेसाया. मतलब एक ऐसे हीरो जागता है आउट ऑफ नोवेयर एंड दिस हीरो एसेंशियली डजंट नो दैट ही इज द मेसाया इन दिस स्टोरी. देयर इज वन पर्सन कॉल्ड गुड्डू प्लेड बाय टाइगर श्रॉफ जो बेसिकली एक जगह जाके फाइटर्स क्यूरेट करता है अपने बॉस के लिए, द इंग्लिशमैन, जॉन द इंग्लिशमैन, और उसका बॉस then essentially fixes these matches and makes a lot of money. So this entire film is taking place as a dystopian future kind of Mad Max Fury Road वाली जगह में, where most of the fury is coming from inside you. But in Silver City, the rich and the wealthy live. It essentially looks like someone drew the capital from the Hunger Games from memory. And जो बाकी लोग हैं, the common people, are pushed to the sidelines. There's a wall that separates them from the Silver City. ठीक है? Now these people don't have a lot of access to money, to food, shelter, etc., etc. और इस पूरे situation में they start turning on each other at some point. तब एक बहुत ही ऐसा मतलब योडा टाइप्स आदमी आता है played by अमिताभ बच्चन, who's like let's create a fighting ring, let's create a game where you essentially fight each other और आपके जो भी frustrations वगैरह हैं वो यहीं पे निकल जाएंगे और अगर हमारी किस्मत अच्छी हुई तो हमें एक योद्धा मिल जाएगा who will essentially save us from this kind of life of poverty that they're living. ये फाइट देख लेता है जॉन द इंग्लिशमैन एंड ही सीज एसेंशियली अ वे टू मेक अ लॉट ऑफ मनी. We find out that Guddu is actually Ganpat or the savior that the people are waiting for. But ये जो उसका coming of age story है वो essentially आगे कैसे बढ़ता है is the story of this film. His hero's journey is facilitated by two people, Shiva played by Rashin Rehman and Jassi played by Kriti Sanon. Kriti Sanon का introduction बहुत ही cool ऐसा नंचक fighting style में होता है, has some great action sequences, तो उनका character थोड़ा intriguing है and she is also one of the more watchable parts of the film. पर ये जो भी कुछ potential था वो end की तरफ गायब हो जाता है because she also becomes a side character to essentially Guddu's story और film में उनका जो पूरा स्टोरी है वो काफी वाटर डाउन हो जाता है, which sucks because I was very interested in where that kind of thing was going. Tiger Shroff is great when he is dancing, great when he is fighting. It's like gravity does not work on him. He's flying through the air, doing somersaults, dancing, fighting, all pretty amazing things that you do expect from Tiger Shroff. But उसके beyond his character is not very convincing. जब उनको ऐसा ruthless villain who doesn't care about anything but money play करना होता है, that's pretty well done. But other than that, there isn't much, like when the emotional heft of the story comes, जब और आपको और emotional investment चाहिए वो टाइगर श्रॉफ के एक्ट से उतना आ नहीं पाता है. That's what I mean by like half convincing. क्योंकि अगर ये आदमी मुझे दिख जाता, I would not have trusted him at all to be the liberation of my people at all. फिल्म की लेकिन सबसे खराब बात है उसका VFX and just the production in general. The camera work is pretty good. There are no faults in the camera work as such, but बाकी सब कुछ is just stressful to watch. एक जगह ऐसा होता है कि टाइगर श्रॉफ is dancing. It's a dance, like a music number is going on, and he's lip syncing to nothing. And okay, you don't know how scary it is to have a fall before a film and then while you're watching it to feel like you might be going through a concussion, because that's what I did. I had to say the alphabet backwards once to make sure कि problem मुझ में नहीं है, because why is the character lip syncing to nothing? But ठीक है, छोड़ो. Even all of that aside, there are parts where a green screen has been very visibly used and it just looks like a very old PC game. एक scene है जहाँ पे आपको रोना आना चाहिए क्योंकि एक बहुत ही sad चीज़ हो रही है, but it's happening in a kind of, I don't know, in just like a old game kind of atmosphere where you end up just feeling like it's comical. और बहुत ऐसी जगहें हैं जहाँ पे okay, bike rides don't look like bike rides, mountains don't look like mountains, scores of people behind don't look like people, they just look like glitches. ये बहुत चीज़ें. There are hairstyles, my god, the hairstyles. There's purple hair dye at one point, hairstyles that would truly push Effie Trinket into early retirement. This is my last Hunger Games reference, I promise. इस फिल्म में स्टोरी है, एक बहुत ही सॉफ्ट बीटिंग पल्स है. द काइंड ऑफ कॉन्ट्रास्ट बिटवीन पीपल हु आर फाइटिंग फॉर सर्वाइवल, फाइटिंग फॉर इमेंसिपेशन, एंड देन द रिच चीयरिंग फॉर वायलेंस आफ्टर हैविंग पुश्ड अ कम्युनिटी फुल्ली, अ लार्ज ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल टू जस्ट द साइड लाइन्स. इट्स ऑल देयर. पर जब ऐसी फिल्में होती हैं जैसे त्रिशूल हो गया हो, नीचा नगर हो गया हो, या इवन गली बॉय हो गया हो, वेर वी सी अ क्लास डिवाइड हैपनिंग, देयर इज अ रेज सिमरिंग बीनीथ द सर्फेस, देयर समथिंग यू आर रूटिंग फॉर, वो यहाँ पे बिल्कुल नहीं हो पाता है. Vikas Behl's Ganpat has not a lot working for it at all except this soft beating heart. So when you don't kind of see that materialize also, you're left wondering ki, can great action sequences alone save a film when the story is just going nowhere? And also I think the film knows this, because there are parts where film mein jo kuch hua hai, we either see again through exposition, flashbacks, just narration, एक ही बात कैरेक्टर एक दूसरे को बार बार बता रहे हैं, मे बी बिकॉज देर ऑल्सो वरीड कि वील फॉरगेट कि इस सब के बीच में कहीं पे एक स्टोरी भी है जो मुझे तो नहीं दिखी. एंड रेपिटेशन इज अनोइंग, isn't it? It is, isn't it? It's very annoying. It's annoying, isn't it? Repetition can get, I'm sorry, it's annoying. And that is why most of the film, when I wasn't trying to figure out if I was A, in a fever dream, B, having a concussion, or C, watching the same scene over and over again, is just very, very lackluster. Even if you want to watch this because you're a Tiger Shroff fan and you love how he does action, and he does it very, very well, koi aur film chun lo, because this is really not it. A sequel was hinted, which honestly at this point is terrifying. But I guess go watch, form your own opinions. I would like to know what you thought about this film, because my rating for Ganpat is 1.5 stars out of 5.